Yes. We're supposed to be four, but we don't know where Sebes is.
Oh,
Good morning, sir.
good morning, everyone. Um, we are now in the middle of continuing with our topic, typhoons. What I want you to do now is I want you to make in your LMS. I prepared something for you. I want you to make a report sheet. Are you familiar with the report sheet?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will just give you a preview of what is a report sheet. Okay, I'll be sharing my screen, right? Can you see my shared screen now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so your report sheet would look like this. By the way, in the format, you need to have a font style with Arial, font size 12, margins with 1 inch in every side from top to bottom. Line spacing is 1.5, and it should be in a left alignment. Okay, again, left alignment. Strictly follow the given format. Okay, this is the given format. Your name, date, grade and section, semester and quarter. By the way, we need to do this in a short size bond paper. Okay? Again, you need to do this in a short size bond paper. Alright? So this is activity number 4, typhoons.
Excuse me,
Introduction.
sir.
Yes, Rabi?
Are we supposed to be typing this in a computer, sir?
Yes. In a Microsoft Word. Introduction, you start with the introduction of the topic, or you want to choose a topic inside or the main topic typhoons or subtopic. You want to choose a subtopic, you can. Okay? Content or discussion, problems arising with the topic, and your conclusion or recommendation. Okay, you submit this
Excuse me,
part.
sir.
Question, Ravi?
I have access to any computers now, sir. I do have a laptop, but there's something wrong with it, sir. It's not starting up,
Okay,
and the computer shops here, they don't allow minors.
you can use applications in phone applications.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
But
WPS or Microsoft Office.
uh, I'm not sure if I can do the Arial font, but um I'll try to get the Arial font. I'm not sure if I can use it.
All right, you just let me know, Ravi. No worries.
Okay.
Question so far? You can actually send your document. This is in a document format, PDF, .doc or .docx. It could be. Okay. I will just add RTF here in case, Ravi, for you to send your file.
Okay,
This
sir.
is the format. Question so far with the format? Anyone?
None, sir.
All right.
I have no
This
questions.
is actually worth 50 points. Again, because this is a report sheet, right? Now, in choosing a subtopic, you need to have an introduction of that subtopic. Like for example, sure, I want to choose monsoons. Okay, monsoons. Introduction with monsoons. Okay, monsoons, these are the winds from this and that. Okay, that causes this and that. Content or discussion. It discuss the effects of monsoons and everything. Okay, problems arising. Okay, what are the problems arising with monsoons? Like for example, it came up early, or like for example, the wind is too strong and creates turbulence and creates so on and so forth. Okay, and conclusion or recommendation. What can you recommend? Okay, in preparation, in whatsoever. Okay, question. All right. I'll be waiting for your document till the end of the day. Upon checking on my list, last activity, only few actually submitted. they're going to the motion. Only 2 students actually send or attempted. Okay? I'll be ending this call for you to answer or do your report sheet. You'll also be doing the report sheet in your higher years. That is why I am actually preparing you for your higher years. Alright? If you don't have any question, I will be ending this call for you to answer your activity. I think that will be all for today, class. Thank you for your time. Thank you for participating. Have a nice day, everyone. Goodbye.
Okay, sir. Bye bye. Good night. Bye. Have a great